Welcome everyone to HFN. Also, we're known as HueFin News. Today is January 27, 2021. We're going to give you all an update price forecast for Tezos, trying to gauge where the trap is going to take the market so we all can get in position. And we're here to show it to you the unconfusing way, whether it's through our price chart as well as how we speak. So if you guys appreciate it, before you go, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. And tap that bell because we want to make sure that you stay notified whenever we upload our cryptocurrency price predictions in the market. So here we are. We're looking at Tezos right now. And the last time we did our video in Tezos, you all can see, was back on January the 9th. And we expected the trap to continue to move the market higher in price. Now you might be asking yourself, if you're new here, what is the trap? Well, the trap is the person that you see on the bottom left side of my screen. He has no face. He has no body. Nobody even knows his or her name. So we had to create someone. And that person, literally whole job is to make sure that he creates a market between buyers and the sellers. And he moves the price to where he can get the majority of each party together. Now, once you follow that, once you understand that, you're able to eliminate all the confusion that is placed, whether it's in mainstream media, whether it's in social media, whether it's news articles, whether it's technical indicators. All of those things become pointless once you streamline and zoom in on what he or she does in the market. So this is what we expected. We expected him to increase the price of Tezos, and you guys can see that is precisely what occurred. Okay. So initially, after we did our video on January the 9th, the market literally almost came up there towards our ultimate TP price, and then that's when the dump came through. But we established that the support area in Tezos was around $2.40 to maybe around $2.30, and that's where the market hovered at on this close and open on the 11th, 12th, and the 13th of January. So that was our indication as well to show us. He was telling us that, hey guys, I'm not trying to break the price below 230. I'm trying to continue to lift the price up, and he did that. Like, the market in Tezos was in a very bullish trend starting the 13th and ultimately climaxing on the 23rd. So 10 days of trading, the market in Tezos continued to see higher price. So right here on the 16th was when we got that ultimate TP out the market of 16.99%. Okay, which is very good. If you was able to get up there on the 23rd, it's about 32%. But either way, we're in position. Either way, we took the bag from the trap. Like, we got the lick. And now he's down a couple of percentage points because we took the money back from him. So let's get rid of that. And let me zoom out. Okay, we want to look at the market in Tezos real quick. And as you can see, the market was able to come all the way up here towards $3.37, right? This area here, let me move this over to a wider time frame, because the market in Tezos is not in, like, you cannot find a real structured support restriction area. Like, the market is just rigid and jagged and unconformed. Like, you have to really pay attention closely to see where some restriction is at into the market in Tezos, excuse me. Okay, so most of the rejection is being seen right here around $3.20. Now, there are some spurs to where you see the price break up above it, but for the majority of the time that Tezos has been trading on Bitfinex, the market has been trading below $3.20. Okay, so we're going to hold that there. And we're going to slightly decrease the slope of this ascending line into the market in Tezos. Okay, now taking it back over to the daily. Okay, you all can see that the market over the last 4 days is giving us weakness. Every day's closure is lower than the previous day. So the market right now in Tezos is weak. We can accept that, right? We just need to determine how low can the market go in order for us to continue to see higher price. So right now what we're seeing is about $2.80 to maybe $2.60 as support, specifically $2.60. Okay, so long as the trap maintains that price at 260, then we're going to continue to trade sideways and increase the probability of moving higher at a longer time frame. Now let's look at this on the 3-day time frame real quick. So looking at Tezos on a 3-day time frame, you guys can see that we endure some weakness on the January 19th. This 3-day price bar right here, we did endure some weakness, but immediately following, the market in Tezos came right back up, and we still found rejection at $3.20. So if anything, we know that the market is not ready to break $3.20 to the upside. The trap ain't ready to do that yet. So he's going to come back down and test the market for support, whether it's around $2.80 or $2.60. Okay, if that strength comes into the market in Tezos at $2.60, then he's going to try again to break that $3.20 to the upside. Okay, so our focus needs to be on what he does around $2.60. If he continues to show us strength at this location, then we know that the prospect of higher price is still there. All right, let's look at this market in Tezos on a weekly time frame, and you can see here that the volatility into the market in Tezos has been monumental. I mean, over the last 2 weeks, you guys can see how the weakness came through, but the market still closed higher in price. The market still closed higher than the previous week. And look at this volume. That volume has been extreme, definitely comparative to what we've been accustomed to into the market in Tezos. Right? So this area is crucial. We definitely need to be paying attention to what the trap does over this week going into next week. Because if he maintains this 260 as support, specifically, I would like for him to hold 280, but that is not guaranteed. So definitely he has to hold 260. We're going to see a bigger move to the upside in Tezos, because all of this volume, based off what the reaction was, lets us know that he's geared to continue to explode the price of Tezos. It is just not ready yet. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this real quick in Tezos. So yeah, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Tezos, right? Now, definitely this forecast is going to be contingent on $2.60 being maintained as support, right? Expectation is for the market to try to come up there and tag or touch that $3.20 area. That's going to be our main focus, is to see if he's going to be successful at breaking that particular price. But for the moment, definitely looking for Tezos to continue to see higher price. We will skim off a little bit right there around $3, 5% market movement from where the current price is, which is still good, but we want him to try to tag that 320. Ultimately, we want him to break that to the upside so we can see a bigger movement in Tezos, right? So everything's contingent on $2.60. Be on the lookout for that. You guys got questions and comments? Let us know. What do you all think about the market in Tezos? Is it a buy? Is it a sell? Where do you see the price going in the next 3 weeks? And make sure you get there. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. Now go and trade different.